Okay, we're going to be replacing the screen on this Acer Aspire 4830T. This is a -6452 model with a replacement screen that I purchased at laptopscreen.com. So, first thing we'll do, this is the underside of the computer. There's only one screw here on this access panel. This is the service panel that would allow you to replace RAM or a hard drive. Now as you remove that, it actually switches off the battery. This would be the same as disconnecting the battery, but it's a built-in battery pack. Next we'll open it upward so we can work on this display. First step here is to remove these little covers. I'm just using a pry tool here. These little screw covers. Set them aside. They're just stuck on there with adhesive, and they move pretty easily. I have a number 0 Phillips screwdriver. We'll remove these two screws. There's one, set it aside. Two. Set it aside as well. Next we remove the outer bezel, and it is just held in with plastic clips. Since this screen is already cracked, I'm going in from this side and I'm not worrying about it, and I just want to start unclipping here. Once we get a couple of these, we can do it by hand. Now we see, while I'm in here, I do see that this hinge is just a little bit loose. Now this is held in with just 4 screws right here. Once we have those removed, we're going to need to carefully disconnect the video connector. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now this should be free. Okay, it's freed up. Now we carefully flip this over. We don't want to tug anything here. I'm going to lean this back. Now this connector comes out this direction. Okay, it doesn't lift upward, it slides out this direction towards what would be the bottom of the screen. And it's that simple. The broken screen is trash. Replacement screen here has some protective film, which I will remove partially. We will reattach this carefully, and just being sure that it is fully seated. Okay, that's in. I'm going to lay it back. With this set back in place, I'm now going to do a quick check. I'm going to flip the power on. We're just going to make sure that we have a connection. And we do. Power down. And continue. At this point, it's just going to be the reverse of the way that we removed it. So we reinstall these 4 screws.